Hello, can you introduce yourself?
Hello, my name is Pranashai Hamsit. I'm 20 years old. I have enjoy working with people and family.
What do you like about our restaurant?
I like that your restaurant is well known for good service and delicious food. I will be proud to work here.
Can you work every time?
Yes, I can.
Okay, we will get back to within 3 days. Thank you.
Thank you. See you.
Have a seat.
Thank you.
Hello, can you introduce yourself?
My name is Kulalik Nurian. I'm 20 years old.
Do you have any experience?
Yes, I have worked at a waitress, cashier, helper. I learned how to take orders, some food, and help customer.
Thank you for coming. Today we will review your application and contact you soon. Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a seat. Thank you. Good morning. Could you please introduce yourself?
My name is Ananta Kala and 17 years old.
What should we hear you?
Because I am responsible, polite, and eager to learn, I will do my best to support the team and give good service.
What is the most important thing of a service?
Smiling and polite.
Thank you for coming. Today we will review application and contact you soon. Thank you.